What if I say, grab the lens? What would you pick? Probably most of you will pick something like this 24-70 wide or 50-85mm prime lens. Oh, by the way, how's good people? Welcome back to another new video and thanks for tuning in again. Yeah, I guess, good choice. Those focal lengths are really versatile, they can handle a lot. But what about this 100-400mm, the telephoto zoom lens? Do you have it or you don't even care about that? 400mm, when to use, it's too narrow, I'll stick with wide. Yeah, I get it, but hear me out for a sec. Actually, if you know how to use it, it'll be just incredible gear. It'll give you the really powerful image, and you can deliver the strong impact and huge emotional waves. I say, please try it. So today in this video, I will talk about 3 reasons why you need telephoto zoom lens. And this video is brought to you by Motion Array. I'm gonna talk about this more later. First thing first, the biggest strength of this 100-400mm is that you can transcend the physical distance. Simply, you can shoot distant subject. You know, when you try to shoot a subject like this with 400mm, the actual distance is like this. So for example, when you can't go farther physically, like when you are in mountains, you can extend your sight to capture what's happening far away. And this telephoto is really useful when you don't want subject to know your distance, like shooting wild animals. And also it becomes really strong gear when you do street photography and videography. But don't use it for bad thing, it might cause some troubles. So like this, simply 100-400mm gives you the extension of your sight. That means you can extend your creativity to where you can get close. And it's not that crazy focal length like 600mm super telephoto prime lens. It's still versatile depending on how you use it. Actually, this scene of this video was shot on 100mm on this lens, but this can go to 400mm, so this really wide distance range helps you a lot. And reason number 2 is you can get compressed images. First, that means when you shoot subject with a telephoto lens, you can kill the gap between the main subject and background. For example, this was shot on 70mm and this was shot on 400mm. Now obviously the background looks different. At 400mm, the background looks more tighter and narrower. You know, feels like somebody pushed the big and huge landscape background in a small frame. It looks so tight and compressed, very powerful, especially when you're shooting, for example, portrait at somewhere with a little noisy background and you are struggling with how you manage the background to make a good composition. When that happens, use telephoto like 400mm. It'll fit in the frame perfectly. Also, you can give the strong impact to that image. And the last reason is the overwhelming isolation spotlight feeling, meaning you can separate the subject from the world. This Sony 100-400mm G Master has f5.6 at 400mm. When you use f5.6 at 400mm, everything but the subject melts. I mean, it generates the crazy creamy bokeh, and when you add the compression feel on this, it creates, oh my god, this people is last mankind standing on this planet feel. This is just perfect when you want to capture the emotional and important scenes in your story. Okay, here quickly, let me introduce today's video sponsor, Motion Array. So Motion Array is where you can get unlimited creative assets like those videos, templates, titles, motion graphics, plugins, music, sound effects, and stock footages. You can get must-have items for filmmaking nowadays. Each product is so high quality and really easy to use. You just can easily spice up your YouTube videos, shorts, TikTok, and Instagram reels. Personally, my favorite is this shake effect. It's so powerful for Instagram reels. So if you're interested, go check it from the link below. Okay, at the last, let me recommend a couple of telephoto zoom lenses if you don't have it. The first one is definitely Sony 100mm 400mm f4.5-5.6 G Master. Like I told you, still it gets versatile. 100mm is not that crazy. Like you can use it pretty much everywhere. And it goes to 400mm. Now I hope you guys understand how cool this 400mm is. Plus it got G Master monster image quality. Also Sony 7200mm f2.8 or f4, a good choice. Actually when I bought 100-400mm, I was on the fence about deciding 7200 or 100-400mm. but I thought 400mm would give me more choices, especially for shooting mountains. And plus, it doesn't have to be f2.8 to get a melting, creamy bokeh at the background. Like when it's over 200mm, like 300mm, 400mm, you can get enough amount of bokeh with f4 or 5.6. And Sigma 100-400mm is also good budget telephoto zoom lens. If you don't have enough papers to burn, yeah, this could be a good one to start from. Okay, that was it. I hope I get you into the telephoto world. Personally, I just love this telephoto than wide. You know, it's just so good to capture the detailed face of subject. And simply, I just love the feeling when I look things through a viewfinder with telephoto. You know, it allows me to look the world objectively. And plus, there are some good telephoto effects like I showed you. So let me ask you one question. Which do you like better, telephoto or wide? Let me know in the comment below. Okay, this is it. If you have any questions, thoughts, don't hesitate to leave the comment below. So today's pretty much it, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this one, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.